So we're going to be removing those two. Those two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 total. Those are going to be 7mm screws. This is the actual right side, and you got to do the same thing on the left side. This one here, this one's second one, that will be the third, and then the fourth one right here. All this four got to be removed so you can take the bumper off. The sensors that got to be removed. Now the other part that we got to remove will be the whole harness from the actual bumper itself. So basically that clip, this clip, as you see them all, they all got to be removed, because that's the actual part that is holding the clip inside, as you see here, to hold the harness. And on the new part that you're putting on, the new rear step pad, you have to put that harness once again in place. Once you got the harness out of all the connections plus all the clips, then it's a matter of just pushing the clips out one by one, and then when you're done with that, you just gotta slide it out of the part from the other side. Once you pull out all the clips out, as you see here, this is actually how it's going to look. And then on each side of the bumper, it's like a double-sided sticky tape that you're just gonna push out on both sides. And then part comes off completely. And then this is how the bumper should look when you remove the original step pad out. Now we gotta prep the areas to install the new bumper on it once you got the bumper out. So in the two corners, as you see here, there's a little bit of residue of the actual old double face tape that it come on the actual original part. So once we remove that and clean those sections, we can come and install the new equipment in the rear bumper step pad. So we got the part, put the wire through the center hole. So it should be 5 on this side, 5 on this side. The center one should be number 6 from either way. Remove the actual. That you slide in the part on the back part first, make sure that all those pieces are in place. Once you got them in there, you just got to make sure that it locks in place. So once you do that, make sure those corners are completely down. And make sure that those clips got into place. How it was before, same harness with the same positions. Make sure that everything stay where it was, and clips are in the same place, so the harness is safe at all times. secure all of them. And clip on the actual one of them. And bumper is ready for install.